Hello, and welcome to our English Learning channel. Today, we'll talk about evening routines, what people do when they finish their day. You'll hear simple English sentences, see clear examples, and watch short video demonstrations. Listen carefully and try repeating the sentences to practice your speaking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss any of our future videos. All right, let's get started.
I usually finish work around 6 in the evening. On my way home, I stop at a store to get some food for dinner. When I get home, I take off my shoes and put my things away. I change into something comfortable, like a t-shirt and sweatpants. Then I go to the kitchen and start preparing dinner. I usually cook something simple and easy. While the food is cooking, I listen to some music or a podcast. When dinner is ready, I set the table and sit down to eat. I try to eat slowly and enjoy my meal. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Then I move to the living room and relax for a bit. I sometimes watch a movie or YouTube videos to unwind after a busy day. I usually grab some snacks while watching. I like to sit for a while and let my mind calm down. Sometimes I talk to my family or friends on the phone. If the evening is calm, I open the window to get some fresh air. Later, I check my planner and look at tomorrow's tasks. I prepare my clothes and pack my bag so I don't have to rush in the morning. Then I take a warm shower to wash off the tiredness of the day. I brush my teeth carefully and feel fresh and clean afterwards. After that, I put on my pajamas and get ready to relax before bed. I turn down my bed and turn on a small lamp. Sometimes I drink a cup of tea before bed. I like to read a few pages of a book or a magazine. If I'm too tired, I just lie down and listen to calm music. I turn off the main lights and make the room cozy. I light a few candles to make the evening feel warm and peaceful. Before going to bed, I check that the door is locked and everything is quiet. I set my alarm for the morning. I put my phone on silent mode. I take a few deep breaths to relax. I think about something positive before falling asleep. I close my eyes and feel calm. Finally, I slowly fall asleep, and that's how my evening usually ends.
Great job watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new English lessons and fun practice videos. You can also visit the channel and explore many more lessons with English words, quizzes, and interactive videos to help you learn in an easy way. Each video will help you practice listening, learn new words in context, and feel more confident when speaking English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, a little English every day makes a big difference. Thanks for learning with me, and see you in the next video.